Before we start, please listen carefully. This is a very important story. Please watch it till the end. In this story, you will learn how to improve your accent. I will share some simple tips. I will use easy sentences. These sentences are very useful in daily life. But here is the important thing. Please repeat every sentence. Practice every day. If you don't practice, nothing will happen. You can watch 1,000 videos, but without practice, your accent will not improve. This is the goal of Accent Avenue, to help you speak more clearly, to keep you motivated, to make learning easy and fun. So, are you ready? Let's start the story. My name is Tony. I am 22 years old. I live in a big city. I have one big dream. I want to speak English with a clear, confident accent. But there is one problem. My accent is very heavy. People struggle to understand me. I always say to myself, when I try to speak, I feel nervous. My voice becomes shaky. I speak too fast. I swallow my words. People ask me to repeat myself again and again. They say, "Sorry, what did you say?" This makes me very embarrassed. Every day I wake up early. I tell myself, today is a new day. I will try again. I watch accent videos. I listen to podcasts. I copy native speakers, but nothing changes. Why is this so hard? I ask myself. One day, my colleague Emily comes to my desk. She speaks with such a clear, natural accent. I ask her, "How do you sound so clear when you speak?" She smiles and says, "Can I tell you a secret?" "Yes, please tell me," I say. Priya sits next to me. She says, "Tony, you are making one big mistake." "What mistake?" I ask. "You only listen to others. You never slow down and feel your own mouth. You never practice the sounds." I think about this. She is right. I only listen. I never truly practice. Emily continues, "Accent is like music. You cannot learn music by only listening to songs. You have to pick up the instrument and play." "So what should I do?" I ask. Emily gives me a simple plan. Emily says, "Follow these 5 steps every day. Step 1. Learn 5 new phrases daily. Not just words, phrases, because we speak in phrases. Step 2. Repeat each phrase 10 times. Say it slowly. Feel where your tongue goes. Feel how your lips move. Step 3. Record yourself. Listen back. Compare your voice to native speakers. Don't be shy. Step 4. Don't be afraid of sounding different at first. Change feels strange. That is normal. Step 5. Be consistent. Practice every single day, even for just 10 minutes. That's it? I ask. That's it, Emily says. Small things done every day create a big difference. The next morning, I wake up with hope. I can do this, I say to myself. I start with simple phrases. Good morning. How are you? I'm doing well, thank you. Nice to meet you. Could you repeat that, please? I repeat each phrase 10 times, slowly, clearly. I pay attention to every sound. Then I practice more phrases. I'd like to ask you something. I'm not quite sure. Could you say that again? Thanks so much. Have a wonderful day. I feel good. This is manageable. I can do this.
1 week passes. I know many new phrases now. I use them every day. When I go to a coffee shop, I say, "Hi, could I get a medium coffee, please?" The barista answers. I understand her perfectly. "Could I also get that to go?" She hands me my coffee. "Thank you so much. Have a great day." I walk out smiling. I spoke clearly. She understood me the first time. I feel so happy. I am using my new accent in real life.
But learning is not always easy. Sometimes I face problems. One day, I try to speak in a meeting at work. I forget how to say a word correctly. My pronunciation comes out wrong. Everyone looks at me. My face turns red. I rush through the rest of my sentence. The meeting ends. I feel terrible. I want to give up. Maybe I cannot do this, I think. That evening, I call Emily. I made a mistake today. I sounded terrible in the meeting, I say. Emily laughs gently. She says, "Tony, this is completely normal. Everyone stumbles. The important thing is, did you speak?" "Yes, I spoke." "Then you did not fail. You practiced in real life. That is the hardest kind. Try again tomorrow." Emily's words give me strength. I will not give up, I tell myself.
I continue my practice. Every morning, every evening, I learn new phrases. "Excuse me, could I ask you something?" "I'm sorry, I didn't quite catch that. Would you mind speaking a little slower?" "I really appreciate your patience. Let me try that again." I talk to myself in the mirror. I feel silly at first, but it works. I also start thinking in English, not in my native language first and then translating. This helps my accent become more natural. My mouth starts to remember the shapes of the sounds. 30 days pass. Something amazing happens. I attend a work conference. A senior manager walks up to me and starts a conversation. Before, I would have kept my answers short to hide my accent. But today, I speak freely. "Hi, I really enjoyed your presentation this morning," I say confidently. He smiles. "Thank you. What did you think of the second part?" We talk for 10 whole minutes. At the end, he says, "You're very easy to talk to. Very clear speaker." My heart fills with joy. I cannot believe it. "Thank you so much. That really means a lot," I say. I walk away with a huge smile. 3 months pass. I am a different person now. I speak English every day. I am not afraid anymore. My accent is not perfect, but it is clear. People understand me. I understand them. I make mistakes sometimes, but I don't care. I learn from every single one. Today, I want to share my story with you. I want to tell you something important. You can improve your accent. It doesn't matter where you are from. It doesn't matter how heavy your accent is right now. It doesn't matter how many times you have felt embarrassed. What matters is you start today. You practice daily. You never give up. And that is the end of Tony's story. But wait, this is not really the end. This is actually the beginning of your story.
You are just like Tony. Today you watched this video, you learned something new. Now the question is, what will you do next? Will you close this video and forget everything, or will you take action? Here is my challenge for you. Pick any 5 phrases from this story. Write them down, repeat them 10 times, record yourself saying them, listen back. Use them tomorrow in a real conversation. If you do this, I promise you will improve.
Remember, watching is not enough. You must practice. You must speak. You must repeat. This is the mission of Accent Avenue. We are here to help you sound clearer, speak with more confidence, and be understood everywhere you go. We will upload more stories, more accent lessons, more practice videos, but we need your support. Please like this video. Please subscribe to our channel. Together, we will improve. Thank you for watching till the end.